recording this, so I have something to post, and then I'll email the teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
My bad. All right. Number 1, we ended up with A. I mean, with D. All of the above.
Wait, did you say A or D?
D.
Oh, okay. I thought you said A. Yes. Okay.
I
D.
did say A at first. I was wrong. Number 2, we got C. 35
so how
years.
did I get C? Because even when I tried looking at the note graph, I still wasn't understanding how to find that answer.
I think it says it in the introduction.
Really? Okay, I'll have to go back and look in the intro because I don't know. I fell asleep while reading the notes last night and had to start all over this morning. So I'll look back on that. What did you get for 3? Because once again, I lost.
3, I personally got B, but I think everybody else got C. What did you end up getting on that one, Jenna?
I got C, but
I don't know.
But I think that was one of them where I was like trying to figure it out, and I don't know, like if it said it somewhere or we were just supposed to like figure it out somehow. I didn't read that.
I think that based off that graph, we were supposed to.
Okay.
And see how much it had increased.
Do you know how on that graph we were supposed to figure that out? Like if there was like a mathematical equation of some sort, or if we were just...
I think just based on what it was and then what it became, how much it increased.
Okay.
Like if it increased 5 times, if it increased 10 times. I got that the U.S. increased a little over 5 times, and then Japan. Let me pull up the graph again.
Okay. Well, go ahead, Jenna.
Oh, I think.
So my daughter decided to sit on my lap. I didn't realize her diaper was so full that it's now soaking into my pants as we speak.
Oh, gross.
I'm having a great one, let me tell you. Okay.
Okay, so I guess the U.S. increased by 13 times, so maybe it is C. Yeah, okay. I'm going to go C. You guys are right.
All right, and then 4 was C, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5, you guys said that you found it off of Google?
That's what Rustlin said, but if you just look at that same chart, the first 3 or 4 numbers average out to 2.5.
Okay.
The highest. So that one is 2.5.
Okay, can we go, because, I mean, I know Ruslin's a great guy, but it's really hard to understand what's going on because he kind of overpowers everyone. Can we, so let's see here. 6 was D. 7 was D. Right?
Yep.
8 was C. 9 was A. What was 10?
I got C on 10, but Rustlin got A.
Okay, how did you get C?
Well, I had it in my head where in country A, everything is doubling. They have twice as many workers, twice as much physical capital, twice as much human capital. And so since everything is doubling as their labor doubled, then each laborer would be making the same amount. And they just are increasing because their labor doubled. So everything doubled. Does that make sense? Yeah. I don't know if I'm reading into that wrong. I have no idea.
I don't either. I thought, like, I don't know. The thing said that it was supposed to be an easy. Oh, stop it, Melissa. I don't know. The notes on the PowerPoint said that this is going to be an easy lesson. I was like, woohoo! And then I start reading it. And no, it's not. Okay, so 10 was C, 11 D. What did you guys get for?
10 could also be A. I might be wrong. I don't know if I'm reading into it wrong. I have no idea.
Okay, I'm going to double check these because I want to understand it before I move on. Because there's a lot of this I'm not understanding. So I'm just trying to, like, find out what everyone got and then go back through and just try and understand a little bit more, because a lot of this I just didn't get. 11D, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, that one's pretty easy. 12.
C.
Okay, yeah, I guess. And then 13 was C. 14 was C. 15 was B. 16 was D. Right? Is that what you guys got?
I think 15 is D.
15.
Is that what you said?
You think 15 is D?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that the one that Ruslan was pushing for? I couldn't remember.
I don't know. I think so.
Okay. Yeah, picture. Let's hear it. If the best educated in the scope persons leave. Okay, see, I got B because if they left the country, then it's not going to help the country get more human capital, or sorry, physical capital, right? How does physical capital increase?
The way we looked at that is it's physical capital per worker. And so we looked at it where if a bunch are leaving the country, then everybody else is going to have to make up their slack. And so their physical capital would increase.
Oh.
But the human capital, which is the education, since all the educated people are leaving, that would decrease.
Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so 16 was D, 17 C, 18. Nothing's hurting you, honey. 18B, 19D, and 20A. Yep. All right. Now I'm gonna spend the next couple hours trying to figure these out because, like, I got half of them. There's just the other half that just.
Yeah, I feel like that was tricky. I feel like we had to read between the lines on a lot of these answers.
I hate those questions.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. Yeah, I even like tried going over like the homeworks and the videos, and I wasn't finding these things.
Yeah, I feel like the homework was really simple and easy. It had nothing to do with this.
Yeah.
I don't know if we've done it yet.
There's like 5 questions.
Yeah, and it's straightforward and simple.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect.
I was hoping that the homework would help me understand these a little bit more.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, you all done? All right, you need to take off your day.
Okay. Well,
Thanks, Sadie. Thanks, Jenna. I appreciate you staying after help.
No problem. See ya.
yeah.
Yeah.